So let's say you want to find some tool, but you don't know where it is located. In that case, you can go ahead and utilize the help search. So to do that, you can go around onto the help menu. And let's say, for example, I'm searching for something like voiceover right here. So you can see that voiceover tool is here. Click on it and there you go. That is what you have right here. Similarly, you can go ahead and search for other things as well. Let's say, for example, I can go ahead and then go for, let's say, for example, find right here, of course. So there's find and replace, import slide, and so forth right here. So whatever menu item that you see right here, like let's say, for example, there's bar chart right here. You can go ahead and type in bar, and then you can see that you get an option right here to insert out a bar chart just like this. And this is how you can utilize the help search right here to quickly go ahead and search for different contents right here, just like this. So this is what you have. You got image right here, just like this. So simply go ahead and type in image, and then you can see that you get image related options right here, just like this. And that is how you can utilize the help search option inside of Google Vids. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.